My name is Ieuan and I'm the Managing Director of the Traditional Welsh Sausage Company Limited and Edwards of Conwy Limited. At the age of 14, I found a job at the local butcher shop in the market town of Llanrwst and just started doing menial tasks there really, sort of cleaning up and earning some pocket money. And it developed from there. I learnt my trade, and at the age of 20 I was fortunate enough to obtain my own business. Buying the first shop was obviously quite a daunting task because I had no real experience of commerce or dealing with the banks and all the rest of it, and my father chipped in a small amount. He gave me the equivalent to 10 cows in money because that's the start he had from his father. But I was still short of money, so I had to sell my car, but by beg, steal and borrow, which is what you've got to do sometimes, I managed to put the collateral together in order to buy the shop. We're very positive about the future, you have to be. I think there's a lot of opportunity out there for Welsh food and drink companies. I think there's a lot of opportunity in the export market actually. Around 12% of Welsh food companies currently export. So there's a huge way to go and a lot of possibilities out there. One recent success story that we had was that we're supplying our product now in quite some quantity into Malaysia. So the delis in Malaysia and the restaurants in Malaysia are actually using Edwards of Conwy product. Also into Hong Kong, we're also targeting France, and in the very near future we'll be targeting Spain. So very exciting a period for us as a company and for the Welsh food and drink companies as well, should they decide to go along those lines. As a company, we're also in the process of sorting out another shop refit. There's some new ideas that I've got as to how I'd like to display and sell the meat products in the future, and it's basically setting the company up for the next 10-year period. Well, there's several ways for people to join our wonderful industry. First protocol I would strongly suggest is your careers officer. They'll know about the various government schemes, the local schemes and the associations with the various colleges in your area, and they'll be able to put you in touch with the correct people to get you into the industry. But don't be afraid either just to knock on a couple of doors. Go and see your local butcher. Speak to them. Offer your services. You never know, because that's what I did. There's an awful lot of different roles now within the food and drink industry here in Wales. From maintenance engineering of the equipment in the food industry, to more of the technical side of things in the laboratory, microanalysis and that type of thing, food marketing, the actual industry itself, from preparing of fresh meats, creating fantastic products. And the opportunities are there from manual skilled labour all the way through to the graduates. Exciting times. The food industry is a great industry to be part of. It's not going to go away. It's not going to be superseded by some other food industry. You know, the food industry is here to stay.